kitchen, folks. Another quick dehydrator film. Today I'm going to have a go at making mango chips. So why mango chips? Well, I've got a mango in the fridge. I was going to do a brew with it, but I haven't done the brew yet. I don't think I'm going to do it now, and it's starting to feel like it might be getting a little bit soft. So I don't want it to go to waste. So I thought, why not try dehydrating it and making mango chips? I've never made them before. Let's find out how it turns out. So I'm just going to give my mango a rinse under the tap. I'm going to leave the skin on. Okay, I'm going to slice the mango using this mandolin. Now this is razor sharp, so I'm going to use this glove. My daughter gave me this glove, and apparently the weave in it protects you from your fingers getting damaged with the mandolin. Now there is actually a safety thing that you can use on the mandolin instead of using your hands, but I find it a bit cumbersome. So let's see if this actually works. I'm not going to try and cut my hand, by the way, but I have cut my hand twice with the mandolin since I've had it. And I do recommend using the safety thing. It's just me that's a bit daft sometimes. Right, let's go. And this is actually working nicely. Now I've hit the stone, so I'm going to go, right, I'll go this way now. So maybe I should have thought about the stone before I started cutting and removed it. Hindsight's a great thing, but I will remove the stone right now. And I'm simply going to cut into the mango. I'll cut the end off. And I'm going to prise it apart. Not happening as it's supposed to. Okay, after a lot of messing about, I've got the nice slices on this side. These are the ones before the stone interfered. And on this side, I've got irregular, messy shapes. And this was because I had to cut around the stone. So on the nice ones, I'm just going to put a little bit of sugar sprinkled on top, not too much. That will do. And on the irregular ones, I'm also going to add sugar, but I'm going to add another ingredient. So on the irregular ones, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of chipotle chili powder, because I think chili and mango goes well together. I don't want to put tons on, but I want it to definitely have that hotness when I put them in my mouth. That will do. Right, it's time to get these bad boys into the dehydrator, which is down there. Okay, so just for your information, if you haven't seen one of my films before, my dehydrator is a Turbotronic Kitchen Electronics Turbowave Bio. So I'm going to put in the ones with the chili flake underneath, so no chili falls onto the ones which don't have the chili flakes on. And then I'm going to put the nice ones above, like that. Close the door. Now it's currently on 80. It seems to be a good temperature, to be honest, 80. So I'm going to leave it on 80, and I'm going to try this for 6 hours. That might sound like a lot, but it does take time. We'll have an update in about 4 hours. I'll see what they're like then, okay? Catch you in a bit. Okay, I said I'll be back in 4 hours. Here I am. Let's have a look at it. So, here are those chips. And still got some moisture in them, I can tell. Yeah, they've still got a way to go yet. So I think that the 6 hours was the correct decision. So I'll see you in 2 hours. Afternoon from the kitchen, folks. It's actually the next day. I've been quite busy. Let's have a look at those mango chips. They should hopefully be just lovely. Okay, so that sounds crispy to me. Yeah, proof is in the eating. Very slight chewiness, which could mean maybe I need to lose a bit more water. With that said, they taste lovely. And there's only one mango, and it's not going to last that long. So I think I'm fine with that. Let's try the spicy ones. Nice big one. That's nice. The sweetness and the warmth, it goes really well together. Yeah, I think we can say that mango chips were a success. So I've just got to put these in a carton. I think we'll just leave it at that. Catch you next time, folks. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is Stu Moss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.